Good morning. This is Saturday. We're going down to Crystal River. Hopefully we get some good video, some good drone footage, and buckets full of scallops so we can have a nice little get together with the family. So we've made it up to Lake County, which is about 160-70 miles from Stewart. And just when you think about Florida, you don't think about these hills and all the almost forest.
Plantation on Crystal River.
I'm gonna actually turn here and go back and park down there.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've got
Oh yeah. She said there was a couple.
this one's kind of. You know, we're gonna walk up. We can lock everything in here.
Yeah.
Because I don't see. You see an inlet in there? Well, that's just tight.
Yeah.
Let's go back down here. Well, this is the plantation at the Crystal River. There's the marina and also the dive center. Laura and I have been here for 3 days. We've been here since Saturday. Been out on the boat Sunday and yesterday. We did our scalping yesterday. Did our just driving around and kind of getting used to the place, figuring out the waterways. Not bad at all. We really enjoyed the time so far. We're going back out today for scalloping. Yesterday we kind of figured it out. Went out, got about 2 gallons worth, but we only spent maybe an hour in the water. We didn't spend much time out, so Laura and I are going to go out today and see if we can do a little better. Spend maybe 2 or 3 hours out. We're not trying to get too many. The grounds are pretty nice. The seed wall, when we got here, I had to leave my boat on the trailer the first day and night because there just wasn't enough room. And then the weekend was ended and this place just emptied out, and this is awesome. The seawall is concrete, of course. The tide rises up to 3 feet, and they use these PVC pipes that you put down in the ground, in the mud, very soft, and you tie your boat off. Everything from the St. Lucie Inlet, where we go out of on a normal basis, which I think is okay, but is known to be a little hazardous.
We are out at the scallop beds and we're having a little bit of issue getting the anchor set, so I was gonna dive down to it and see if we can get it to dig in a little bit better. Tried it twice, but today it does not want to cooperate. A little bit rougher out here today, but hopefully not too bad.
There she goes. Go get it. Try again. Current's ripping today. Well, actually, it's wind driven. 15-knot winds. You go down, and you get instantly pushed away from your target. You get it? 2 of them. Bring them over here.
Say hello. All right, let them talk. Are they gonna?
I don't think they're gonna.
Are they gonna? I don't know. Let me see your tonsils. I guess not.
Okay, wait a minute, Laura.
I got lungs. Oh, there it goes. It's a talking. All right, we're
This
out
one's gonna
with
talk.
Yep, we're out at Crystal River, trying scalloping for the first time. This is awesome. So we're gonna see what we can do. Bo's way out there. Hopefully he.
The way they have the blue.
Actually, where is Bo?
We're gonna go do some shopping now. Get the boat on the trail a little bit later and get on out of here and go home. But it was definitely worth the trip. Mother Nature is Mother Nature. It is what it is. So we'll see you guys on the back end. Well, we're back. Unloading the boat. Got everything unloaded, getting ready to clean it all up, fresh water, so that nothing corrodes, like the zippers on all our gear. That seems to be the cheapest thing we've ever had. But as you can see, the boat is unloaded, all the ropes, all the bumpers, and it is rather nasty. I do believe this is the first time this boat's ever had a pond scum on it. So I've got about 3-4 hours worth of work left to do. We came home in a thunderstorm, loaded the boat in a thunderstorm, and neither one of us thought to put on a GoPro because we'll never be able to explain just how hard it was to get that boat on. I was in waist deep water, and the trailer fenders were actually underwater when we were pulling out of the parking lot. The parking lot was about shin deep. So
yeah, it was definitely interesting.
yeah, it was. So we're both working, trying to clean up. That's the hard truth about it. When you get through playing, you've got to clean it all up and get ready for the next one. Mama?
Too true. Okay, I'm giving it a try.
Well, what she's trying now is the ceviche. We also did some bay scallops with a marinade of shrimp, bay scallops, garlic, butter over a pasta, a blackened piece of mahi, and of course some toasted bread. What do you think?
It's good.
Laura's never had
Ceviche.
Neither have I, and we wanted to try it. So here we have it.
Mm-hmm.
With the bay scallops, by the way.
Definitely good. Ooh, a little spicy.
A little spicy.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. Hit like and subscribe.